Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Today we're going to take a look at the SportRack Lock and Tilt 3-bike rack. This rack is easy to use, secure, and accessible, which makes it easy to haul your bikes to your next ride. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at its features. So let's start by showing you how easy it is to install on your vehicle. Now it comes with a 2-inch adapter on it, so if you have an 1.25 inch receiver, you can remove this adapter just by pulling it off, and that way it's ready for your Hitch receiver. Now our vehicle has a 2-inch receiver, so we're just going to slide the sleeve back on, and now it's ready to install. So to install it, we're just going to line it up with our Hitch receiver, and we're going to push it in until our 2 pinholes line up. Now that we have it lined up, we're going to take our threaded pin that comes with a flat washer and a lock washer, and we're going to install it on the driver's side. Once the pin gets too difficult to hand tighten, you'll need to use a 19mm socket to tighten it all the way. Now on the other side, we're going to install our provided cotter pin. Now if you need to get into your cargo area with your rack installed on your vehicle, you can use the tilt function to drop it down. All you need to do is pull the cotter pin right here, and then remove this pin, and then this will drop down, giving you access to your cargo area. Now this function won't work if you have bikes on it. You'll need to remove all the bikes, but when you're done, you just pull the rack back up and you'll reinstall the pin. Now each cradle can hold the bike weighing up to 45 pounds for a total weight capacity of 132 pounds. To use the cradle, we're going to loosen up this knob right here. Now once we have it loose enough, it's just going to tilt to the side, which will allow us to pull this top cover off. Now underneath you can see this rubber coating, which will protect your bicycle's frame from any scratching. Now on the top cover we have these little notches that will go into these tabs on the side. This will be able to set the height for the frame of your bike, so it can adjust it to wherever your bike frame needs to be, and then you can tighten it up. Now on the end we have this locking knob, which will prevent anyone from removing your bikes from your bike rack. Now you want this on your very last bike that you have installed, so if you only have 2 bikes, you'll have it on this knob. If you only have 1 bike, you'll have it on this knob. Now we're going to show you how to install a bike, so we're only going to be putting 1 on. So we'll remove this knob, and then we'll remove our locking knob. Then we'll install our locking knob on our first post. And we're just going to slightly put it on, and then we'll tighten up our other knob on the end. All right, now we're going to take our cover off and we'll go get our bike. To install our bike, we're just going to lift the top tube over the cradles, and we're going to set it on our furthest one, and we're going to make sure that it's nice and balanced. Now if you're putting multiple bikes on, you want each other bike to be facing the opposite way so that they fit easier together. Now that we have that bike on, we're going to take our top cradle and we're going to find the loop that gives us the best height on it. We want it to be pretty parallel, so for us it'll be that bottom loop. Now that we have it in place, we're going to take our locking knob, we're going to lift it over, and then we're going to tighten it up. With our knob tightened up, we're just going to lock it into place with our provided key, and this will make it spin freely so no one can remove your bike. Alright guys, that wraps up the SportRack Lock and Tilt 3-bike rack. As you can see, it was easy to use and adjustable for your bikes, which makes it a great option to haul them to your next ride. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to take a look at one, you can visit your closest U-Haul store, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you.